The 2005 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, cruise control, child-proof rear door locks, power locks, outside temperature gauge, center console, tachometer, overhead console, airbags, ventilated front disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.